My name is Pumpkin. I be bumping at the parties. I go to Hardee's. That's what's up.
Do the hula hoop.
Do the hula hoop. Do the hula hoop.
Do it.
Do the hula hoop. Do the hula hoop. Do the hula hoop. Do the hula hoop.
Did you get your shoes?
Yes. Let's do this. Wow. Do the hula hoop. To the back.
Here to the gazebo on a handstand.
All right. Hope you got a first aid kit.
EMS right here. Okay, move out the way. I'm gonna stay only 6 the whole time, okay?
Hold on, wait. Let me get on this side of you.
Jada, wait on us.
Hold these.
Sit. The cartwheel. Ready?
Fail.
I didn't say I couldn't fall. Okay, I fell. I tried those for effort.
Do your cartwheel. I bet I could do one better than you. Here, you do one over here, then I'll go do one.
Wait, mama.
Over where?
Don't get on the
Do you
grass
want a
till we
cartwheel or
get over
one-handed
there.
cartwheel?
A cartwheel where you turn on the side and land on both feet.
Come here, mom. Come
How's
over
that
so we
do
can
it
see
facing
you. That's not both feet.
Aw, she's gonna beat me.
Wait, what do you mean both feet?
That was one.
You are supposed to land on, that's both feet. Like that? That's a roundabout. Pumpkin already won this way.
You wanna try the
Which
handstand
way are you
challenge?
supposed to go? This way or?
Yeah, that way. Wait, you're right-handed, right? Turn around. Turn around.
I forgot I was recording.
This way?
Yes,
No, pumpkin goes this way.
I turned it around. Though. I didn't face it that way. Use the other. You do it at the same time.
That's what I
Hold on, let's do it at the same
I have
time.
to go this way.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
No, can I go that way?
Here, move. At the same time, okay?
You could do it with a mama.
Or you can go right here.
You and Jada ended the exact same way. Yep.
I can't do a backflip if I tried.
Try it. Go ahead.
I'm gonna break my neck.
That's okay. Go ahead. Backflip. Brianna Wilson backflip. Shabazz.
First attempt in life.
First attempt in life at a backflip. Never mind.
You can do a backflip.
You know you're going to have to do stuff like that in gorilla drills.
Don't. Do a backflip.
Are you crazy? No. I can't even do a regular flip. I can do a somersault.
You're really going to have to do that stuff like that in gorilla drills. Yes, you are.
I can't do a backflip.
It's not backflip. I'm talking about the roll that you're doing, but you're going to have to do it forward.
Do a split.
Junior, get back up here.
Do the split. Jada, show me your split.
Here, I'm tired of recording.
As far as I can go.